In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner section in Shopify Sense theme. If you're looking to showcase a striking image at the top of your store, promote a sale, or highlight a collection, a banner section is the perfect way to do it, and the best part is you can set it up without touching any code. Start by heading to your Shopify admin. From there, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on your active Sense theme. This opens the theme editor. At the top of the editor, make sure you're working on the right page template, like the home page or any other page where you want the banner to appear. You can switch pages using the drop-down in the editor's header. On the left side, you'll see the list of sections already on your page. Click Add Section. In the list that appears, look for a section called Image Banner, Banner, or something similar. The exact name can vary depending on your theme version. Click it to add the section to your page. You can drag it up or down in the list to place it exactly where you want it to appear. With the section selected, use the Settings panel on the right to customize it. Upload your banner image for desktop, and if available, add a separate mobile image for better cropping on small screens. You can also add content blocks such as a headline, subheading, and a button with a link like Shop Now. Keep your text short and impactful, and make sure your button links to a relevant collection or page. Next, fine-tune the layout. Choose whether the banner should be full width or constrained within your page content. Adjust the section spacing and image height to get the look you want. If your text is hard to read over the image, increase the overlay or add a subtle gradient to boost contrast. You can also change text alignment to left, center, or right, depending on your image composition. A few quick tips to keep things looking professional. Use high-quality, optimized images so your banner loads quickly. Aim for a wide image to avoid awkward cropping. Keep important visuals and text in the center area for mobile, and add alt text for accessibility and SEO. Use the mobile preview in the editor to double-check your layout. When everything looks good, click Save, then open your storefront to see the banner live. That's all it takes. Adding a banner in the Sense theme is fast, flexible, and completely code-free.